So let's talk about parabolas today. There is one situation which is x square minus 2x minus 3, and this is in context with ax square plus bx plus c, which is our regular quadratic thing which we are aware. Now, in case of parabolas, in order to understand that what are needed, what things are needed to draw the parabolas, a very, very important thing, one which is needed is vertex. On the basis of this, you will get axis of symmetry. And then on the basis of this, you will know what is maximum value and minimum value. So let's dig into this and let's talk about it. So first thing, looking at the equation, we should know that what will be the shape of your parabola. Whenever it's a positive equation, shape of parabola will be always this shape. And whenever it's a negative parabola, shape of parabola will be always this way. So this is a positive parabola. Our shape of the parabola or shape of the curve will be a U-shaped. Now let's talk about vertex, how to find vertex. In order to find vertex, we need to use this value negative b over 2a. So what is my negative b over negative? My value for b is negative 2 over 2a. My value for a is what? It's 1. So 2 times 1. So positive 2 over 2. What is my vertex? That is x coordinate of vertex. It is 1. Through this formula, you will get x coordinate of vertex. Now, this equation is actually a function. Okay, so function means fx is equal to this, and this fx is actually a y. So in order to find y, we have got x coordinate of the vertex, which is 1. We will replace that over here. So 1 square minus 2 times 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 2 minus 3. So which is minus 1 minus 3. Our y coordinate is what? It is negative 4. So in short, what is my vertex? My vertex is 1 comma negative 4. Now always remember, x coordinate of vertex is concerned with your axis of symmetry. So your x coordinate of vertex will be your axis of symmetry. So what is my axis of symmetry over here? It's 1. And your y coordinate of vertex is concerned with your maximum or minimum value. Now, looking at the equation, we are aware that our graph or our curve or our parabola will be, because it's positive, it will be upward facing. It will be positive. It will be upward facing. So that means this point is my minimum value because it's on the lower side. It's my minimum value. So that means this negative 4 is minimum value. It is negative 4. Now let's take another example. Here equation is negative x square plus 8x minus 20. So very clearly we are aware that our curve will be what? It will be downward facing, N shape. It won't be U shape, it will be downward facing N shape. Now as it's a negative value, we are aware that here this will be what? It will be maximum value. In order to find maximum value, in order to find axis of symmetry, the start, what we have to do is we have to find the vertex. So let's get on to vertex. Correct? Formula for vertex is negative b over 2a. Negative, this is ax square plus bx plus c. So what is negative b? It is negative 8. And what is 2? What is a over here? It's negative 1. So this thing is like this. So my x coordinate for vertex is 4. We are aware that this is a function, right? So we will straight away say y is equal to negative 8x square plus 8x minus 20. So what we will do here, we will replace this x coordinate in this equation. Correct? So 16 minus 20, we have got our y coordinate as negative 4. Am I clear over here? So my y coordinate is -4. So what is my vertex over here? My vertex over here is 1, comma, -4. Correct? What is my axis of symmetry? Axis of symmetry is always concerned with x coordinate. So it is 1. What is my, I've got axis of symmetry. What is my maximum value? Maximum value is always concerned with, maximum and minimum value is always concerned with y coordinate. But here, as equation is negative, we will be getting downward position parabola or downward position curve. So that's why this will be my maximum value, and that's why maximum value is negative curve. We have got lots of worksheets on this topic. Practice those worksheets and that will give you exact clarity about this topic. Thank you.